Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Kuchikoo Kids channel. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Here you will discover all about shapes and colors. Let's start by learning the alphabet by drawing.
Okay kids, now it's time for letter V. V for vanilla. Let's start by making the flower of the vanilla fruit, and then we will continue with the beans. Let's draw the petals of our flower first. Let's do the inside of our vanilla flower. And continue with more petals. Just do some details inside of the vanilla flower. Let's finish our drawing by adding the beans. Now it's time to color our vanilla flower with light pink. It's time to finish off the inside of our flower with the color yellow. Let's use brown for the beans. Now it's time to add some details and our vanilla will be done. And there you have it kids, V for vanilla. Now let's bake some cake. And lastly, let's just color our letter V with red. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share with other people. Thank you!